This is Amber drinking ready? 1, 2, 3. This is Amber drinking a gallon of water in 10 seconds. Ready? Go. Go.
Chug. 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 Chug.
Come on. You're letting us.
Bells. Chug. 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 Chug.
Oh, jeez. Disappointed. There goes the hiccups right there. Had a little burp.
They went.
They went. They're gone.
They came. They saw. But they hauled ass. Bellas, tell us what you think about that. Tell us what you think about that. Any words from you, Amber Reed?
No.
Are you sure?
I still have hiccups.
No, you don't. Go ahead. Chug. 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 That's not chugging. This ain't no sipping tea. Get down on that motherfucker. Jimmy and Chuck. And Chuck. And Chuck.
They're gone.
Are they gone?
Yes. She's not doing no more. They're gone.
Woohoo!
Are they gone? Alright, everybody go. One more cheer for the fans. Bella, what you think about this whole escapade? Hey, Bells.
Nice.
Whoa. Do that one more time for the fans.
That's YouTube status all the way.
Huh? It's top-notch recordings. Top-notch recordings. You'll see it live right here in the Jimmy Hamilton place. Okay? Whoa. Whoa.
It's all coming out now. Alright, let's go to bed now.
Bedtime. Bella, what do you think about that, Bellas?
Yeah,
Bella.
I'm drooling.